let's just go ahead and get started. Y'all, I ripped this wig because something that I learned about Beauty Forever's wigs is that they don't come down far enough. Like, I don't like how their wigs fit sometimes. Like, it's almost like they don't come down enough. So I ripped this and I could tell y'all that it is HD lace for sure because of like how it ripped. So this is definitely HD lace because you can't tell at first because of this. So this is my very first time working with HD lace, you guys. Am I really upset that I ripped this wig? No, I'm not. I mean, because now I can like put it where I want. You get what I'm saying? So I'm gonna be able to see where I cut. See? But I didn't even plan on putting this in a ponytail today anyway, so I wanted to do something different. I think I need to plug a little bit. It's actually a pretty good hairline, but I feel like right here is where I need to plug this part. So I'm gonna do that. Now I did bleach these knots, and I did go ahead and use my foundation color up under the lace. Now I'm only probably gonna plug this part because I don't like for this to be too dense. And I was gonna sell this wig, you guys, but since it's cut like this, it won't be in any wig sale. Sorry. Anyways, let's just go ahead and get into this install. So I wanted to do a middle part with some light beach waves type feel, but I might do a side part with the waves. I don't know. I want to see how this melts though. Like, I really want to know how this melts. Bleached beautifully, you guys. It looks so good bleached. Took the bleach very well, as you could see. So that's good. You're getting most of that parting space right here. I have the 13x4 lace frontal, so this is where I want it to lay. And let me go ahead and put my clips back. So you may see glitter everywhere. It's because I did my glitter eye. And I also have like glitter lotion and shit, like, girl. But I'm so excited to see how this is about to look. Like, first of all, it looks good already.
But I always lose.
Okay, so I'm about to try to finesse this the best way as possible because it's ripped. Okay, so I think I'm going to use my glue today. I'm using my Ghost Bond Supreme. You guys already know. I still have old glue on my hairline because I didn't take it off completely, but it shouldn't really do much to the install. part today with the waves, because I don't think I did a side part with waves yet. This bed head waver here. I got this from Sally's. I'll link it down below if you guys want to purchase it, along with all this other stuff here that I use, all the products. So I'm going to spray my hair with this coconut oil. Everything will be linked down below in my Amazon store, because I know some people are probably still on lockdown, which is ridiculous, like seriously. So I'll link all the stuff on Amazon so that you guys are able to get it, because it is all on there. So I love that oil, you guys. It makes your hair so soft. Oh yes, it does. And also gives it a little wave. I get to find your girls. But anyways, yeah, so I'm about to go ahead and start waving. Now I'm not using spritz because I don't want those type of waves. Like, I don't want crumps, I just want waves. So I'm just gonna you know, put some waves in my hair.
always do.